Okay, hello there. I'm Dennis. Today we're going to install Deepin Desktop on top of an Arc Space. Let me get logged in. Give it my password. I'm logged in as my user account, so I'll need to use sudo. You should always make sure there's no updates. There's none. We've already got the Xorg drivers, so we're going to say sudo pacman -S deepin-extra. Yes, we want all of that. 1.5 gig install size. Not too bad. Not too bad. Well, I'll pause the video here. Come right back. Okay. It's through downloading. Full screen mode here. And it's going to install. Download didn't take too long. Let's see how long the actual installation starts. One thing is the Deepin desktop didn't come with a software or package manager like a store. I'm going to go ahead and install one before we get out of the installation of the desktop here, so that when you do actually boot into Deepin, you'll have a graphical package manager. And we're going to need a desktop manager, so Control L to clear the screen. Sudo pacman -S light dm -gtk greeter light dm-gtk greeter settings. Fast. Sudo system ctl enable light dm dot service. It does not have a browser either. Let's just make sure we got a couple things real quick here. S lib dvd css lib iso burn Firefox qbit torrent. And that should do it. That won't take me just a minute. 220 megabyte install. But this way we'll have a browser sitting there when we come back or boot into our desktop. I'm going to Control L to clear the screen. Now let's get pacman. CD space /tmp, enter, and we're going to say git clone https://AUR period archlinux.org/yay.git. Let's change directory to yay. MAKEPKG space dash lowercase si. Enter. Let's see, yep. I think it's always nice to have a graphical package installer so that you can look as well as do the terminal commands. But for a new user, he's going to be a lot more comfortable, at least in the beginning, until he knows the software and program names. He'll be a lot more comfortable looking and actually being able to see somewhat of a description. I know as a new user, when I first started, I had no idea what did what. I was used to WinZip, WinRAR, not Xarchiver and P7Zip. And I was used to doing looking at the software online and being able to read about it and recognize the pictures. And I knew all the burn-in software and knew about Microsoft Word, but LibreOffice, I mean, I never even heard the word. Okay, now we can use it. Yay, dash capital S, Hallmark, dash AUR. Default is 1, and that's the one I want. We're going to get rid of the dependencies. And I don't want to see any differences. I just would like for you to install it so we can boot into this beautiful Deepin desktop. Oh, you know what? I should probably install the guest utils too first, just in case. If we don't need them, we don't need them, but if we do, we do. That'd be VirtualBox guest utils. Won't take but a second, and it might make a big difference in the presentation. Flushing the install queue. AppStream. Got away from it before I could read it all. Almost there. It's only got 40 more things to do. Get out of yay. Hit exit. Log back in real quick. Okay, sudo pacman dash capital S virtual box dash GUEST dash utils. Let's preface that with needed, because it's possible that Deepin, when it was installing, nope, we need it. I was going to say it's possible that when Deepin was installing, it recognized that we were in a VirtualBox. So I'm going to hit reboot. I'll leave it in the full screen mode here. Maybe it'll work. What we're looking for is that little cursor by itself and the appearance of the mouse and a login screen. There's a mouse and a login screen. That's actually kind of a unique looking login screen. Sort of reminds me of Windows 10 a little bit, the way it's blurry there. Says I'm in a VirtualBox. You will affect the system performance and operation for an effect mode. Effect mode have a delicate appearance. Normal mode, enjoy the fast performance. Well, of course I want to pick look at that. Of course I want to pick the performance mode. Oh, nice. Look at there. Pretty desktop. Okay. And this reminds me of GNOME. You hit the launcher here, and you get all these programs. You hit this over here in the corner, and you get little categories. Let's see. Add. There it is. Add remove software is what I was going to do. pacman. Gotta do something about these display settings. Let's see here. 800 by 600. Let's try that one. Restore. Let's try that one then. Restore. Well, I wish it would stay out there. It'll make me do something weird something. Let's try that one. Nope. Thought I was on to it that time. Well, I'm sure I could find one, but you get it. We got the menu. We got a dock on the bottom. It's got multitask view. It's got file manager. They got their own file manager called the Deepin file manager. Pretty cool. Got music, play music with. Let's add a folder. We're gonna go find one real quick. User. Share. Sounds. Deepin. Let's open that whole folder. Oh, I gotta hit play. Sound works. Okay, what else we got? Exit. Thanks for asking. Settings. That opens up this over here. Top starts you off with display, and you could scroll down like this with your mouse, or you could highlight a particular section you're trying to find. Sound. Output volume is off almost. Yep, definitely got sound. Clock. So you got all your settings over here in this panel. And to get out of it, just left click anywhere else on the screen. There's our pacman. Wonder if I exited. That would improve anything. Not really. So that's it. That's your Deepin desktop. And everything seems to work right out of the box. I mean, everything I checked earlier was working. The voice recorder, the screen recorder, they got their own screen recorder. It's cannot run without effects turned on. Remember when I first logged in, it said effects. And that's because I'm in a VirtualBox. Okay. All right. Well, thank you for watching. This was actually a fun one. And I love the desktop. The Hummingbird's awesome. Okay, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.